Hello. So for the sample sizes, those were correct, the ones that I saw. So you are doing it correct. You just have to finish them. And for this one, so far you're doing them right. This is just written a different way, but it's still the same process. So if we look at this one, oh, that's doing that. We want to go under Stat and over to Test and down to a T interval, which is number 8, T interval. Because the sample size is small and the standard deviation is from the sample. This time they're giving us stat, so you use statistics. And they want to know the mean, which was 40.6. The standard deviation was 13.2. N was 13. And we wanted a 95% confidence interval. Oops. And calculate. Now for your intervals, the way the other problems were, we would write it like this. But they want it written with the plus or minus. So what you need to do is you take that interval, 32 and the 48, which I wrote here, 48.577. You add them and divide by 2, and then subtract them and divide by 2. And those two values are the plus and minus. Right here. 40.6 plus or minus 7.7977. So that will get you those values. I don't know why that keeps moving. But that will get you those. Now, a few of these down below are asking, here they're giving you the data rather than the statistics. And so then what we need to do here you go into Stat and edit, because we need to add the data. Now I already added it. It goes right in here. But if you have items in this, what the heck? Sorry about that. I don't know why it was just fine a second ago. There we go. So you enter your data. Now if the data is not in, if there's other data here you want to get rid of, you go under Stat and Clear List, the fourth one. No, I don't want to clear this because it's the one for your problem, but Clear List, and then second and whichever list you want to clear. So if list 2 had things in it, you hit list 2. If you have another one, second and list 3. And hit enter and it will clear those lists. But then you go into Stat and Edit and you enter your values. The values were 97.4, 97, if you could see the value right there, 97.7, 99, and so on. I entered all of them. Then second and quit. Then you go over to Stat, Test, and the same interval, T interval. But instead of stats, we have data. So you have to go over one to data and hit enter. It's under list 1, so we don't have to change that. The only thing was, I think the confidence interval was 98. Yeah, here it is over here. So we change that to 0.98, hit enter and calculate. And there's our answer. 96.7. point right here, 947 and 98.578. So on the second half, you just put in the data, and it will find them for you. So here, I'll give you this one so you could check that. So you were close. I would give you credit for that. But you could try that one in here and see how you do. If you have any questions, let me know.